Welcome, my name is Jörg, and in this video I will speak about what you need to consider regarding your molecule when you're aiming at your first fill. If you want to know which 4 considerations are key to bringing your molecule from lab to clinic, make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's dive right in. Until now, it's likely you have a tremendous amount of experience and data on your product in the lab, but moving to the clinic requires a different perspective and brings new challenges and questions. You need to define your critical quality attributes according to the guideline ICHQ8, which in consequence means that you have to choose the right critical process parameters to achieve them. For example, the compounding and filtration process needs to be established, including the associated times like thawing, calibration, and hold times. First, have you defined your formulation process yet? Can you provide detailed guidance on this process? And at every scale, your critical process parameters need to be confirmed or adapted, including thawing, pH adjustment, and filtration. You may need additional lab studies to adapt to the different equipment and scale. Second, you also need to know how your drug substance is delivered to your CDMO. Many products come fully formulated and ready to fill. They need to be thawed, maybe pooled, mixed, and filled. Others require formulation by your fill-finish CDMO to adjust to a target concentration. A knowledgeable CDMO partner can help determine if the product's current formulation is applicable for phase 1, 2, or 3 clinical trials and propose adaptations if needed. Third, does your API have any known sensitivities? Any information or concerns that you may have about handling the API should be shared with your partner to make sure the manufacturing process is set up accordingly to minimize potential risks. The right manufacturing partner can also help identify factors that may impact the stability of an API, such as light, temperature, or oxygen. They'll plan the production processes accordingly. In addition, protecting both product and personnel safety will be the top priorities of your CDMO partner, starting with a detailed assessment of how an API needs to be prepared, stored, and processed in a sterile manufacturing facility. Finally, have all required ingredients been identified? To keep a clinical trial manufacturing project on track, an experienced partner will build a detailed catalog of the resources and materials needed to prepare a drug product, as well as where and how they can be procured at the necessary scale. For example, you need to know in advance if your formulation includes special or exotic excipients and if they can be supplied GMP ready to your CDMO partner. It's important for your CDMO to know if there's a flexibility in which suppliers can be used. You've seen, maybe today it's all about the science in your lab or R&D facility, but tomorrow it's time to turn your drug substance into a product for human use. Now we're at the end of the video. If you've enjoyed it, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any updates. And if you would like to know more about the topic, check our website. See you next time.